Welcome back. So for this module, we are going to learn how we can save our work and we can share it with our friends or our supervisors or any other person that needs it. One, you can use an email. You send it direct as a screenshot, or you can use a current view of KML file. This one will send as this whole file so I can use it in my computer. Or you can select a place marker and send it by email. That is one way. Click on email and then you'll be able to share it. So I'll leave that one. So the other part is you can print this image directly. If you have a printer at your home, you can just print it. The other way is by saving it as an image. The other way is by viewing it in Google Maps. So for purposes of this lecture, we are going to, so you can also view it in Google Earth Web. We are going to save it normally, just like how we save any other type of image. So we click on save, click on image. You realize it has both the qualities of a good map. It should have a legend, it should have a compass, it should have a key here, it should have a title, so you can give it a title. The title I'll give it is my first map. My first map. So I'm done and the description is there. So if you want, you can put in more details, but I'm not interested in that part. So I've called it my first map here. The map of IEA, you realize that it has the right. So when you finish, you click on save and you keep your work wherever you want to keep it. So you click on save. Maybe you want it to go to desktop, you can click on desktop and have it there. So I'm going to call this one what? My first Google Earth map. So this is an image that I've saved that I can share with any of my colleagues. Otherwise, I think we've covered most of these things. I'm going to close this. Maybe the other thing I didn't talk about is this part where we have you want to scroll downwards into a 3D version, you click here. If you want it in 2D, in 3D you click here. This one takes it in 2D. Most times we prefer the 2D. Then this one helps you scroll around in an anti-clockwise direction and helps you to scroll in a clockwise direction. This one is a normal upside the normal one. That's what it does. So the other thing is you can also deselect this. If you don't see it anymore, you can come and click here. You can click on IEA. You no longer want to see it, you click on it, it will not be seen. Click it back, it comes back. So in summary, that's where our modules are going to end, and I hope we both understand whatever we try to learn. And tomorrow I'm going to be sharing the question and answer. So please endeavor to prepare yourself, so that I don't want you people to fail to answer the simple questions, simple objectives that may be raised on Friday. Otherwise, I hope for the best. I'll also give you an assignment on Friday to make a map of IEA. Please don't cheat. Those of you have your siblings in upper classes. Otherwise, have a good day. I hope we shall meet soon.